When a federal judge here in Chicago reinforced her restrictions on the use of force by federal immigration agents, she essentially accused Border Patrol Chief Gregory Bovino of lying, pointing out several instances in which his testimony did not match video during those incidents. But if Judge Sarah Ellis is correct, can Bovino or individual agents be held personally accountable for their actions? Charlie Wojciechowski put that question to legal experts today. And what'd you find, Charlie?
Well, Natalie, the basic answer is yes, there are legal prohibitions against lying on the stand. The question comes down to who will enforce them.
My name is Gregory Bovino.
And your title?
Chief Patrol Agent.
When Gregory Bovino sat for a deposition last month, federal judge Sarah Ellis found his testimony and the government's evidence simply not credible.
Have there been uses of force that have been less than proper?
No, all uses of force have been more than exemplary.
When asked if he thought that federal agents shooting a Chicago pastor with a pepper ball was acceptable, the commander of Operation Midway Blitz claimed not to know anything about the incident.
Can you look me in the eye and acknowledge that the use of force applied against Reverend Black that is depicted in the video and in these photographs is unacceptable and inappropriate and should not have happened?
What they're saying isn't matching reality.
And when that happens in a federal courtroom, there are often repercussions.
His testimony arguably is perjury. He's under oath, and he testified to a set of events that was contradicted by drone and other kinds of camera footage. So in an ordinary course, he would be indicted for perjury by the U.S. attorney.
But that scenario has its own complications when the Attorney General supports the president's policies with regards to immigration.
The problem here is the U.S. Attorney's Office is under the control of the Attorney General of the United States, who's made it clear that she likes these types of activities and is supporting these types of activities.
Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson is among those who have demanded accountability from federal agents for their actions.
At the end of the day, we will hold you accountable for the crimes you have committed against our people.
But apart from signage banning federal agents from city property, there is little local authorities can do.
What can happen now? The only real, I think, response could be that contempt charges could be leveled against him by Judge Ellis.
Now, a DHS spokesperson yesterday criticized Judge Ellis's injunction, saying it is an extreme act by an activist judge that risks the lives and the livelihoods of law enforcement officers. Natalie, back.
All right. Thanks, Charlie. Appreciate that.